Hi, my name is Kayla Model, and today I will be talking about species extinction risks in Madagascar and the global threats that contribute to these risks. So the existence of many species in Madagascar are threatened by humans, and this has been a problem for a long time, and it is not going away anytime soon. Many species on the island of Madagascar live only in small areas. They may have only small populations and may not be native to other places. The rate of the threat to these species has dramatically increased since 2008. Madagascar is diverse and different groups are at risk, not just one. For example, amphibians, reptiles, mammals, and other species are at risk. This is a widespread problem and it is not just specified to one group. In 2008, 3% of the land in Madagascar was protected. In 2010, this number has increased to 8% of the land. However, the risks have also increased, and these still continue to put many of the animals of Madagascar at risk. So why should we care? We should preserve life and its diversity. I feel that we have an obligation to protect as much of the life on Earth as possible. Species have roles that help keep Madagascar the beautiful island that it is, and some of these species also contribute to other ecosystems elsewhere. So if we decrease the species diversity in Madagascar, it may look something like a desert. Madagascar relies on its ecosystems for economic benefit, and additionally, this country is already very, very poor. There are still species left to discover, and if we push them into extinction before we can find them, that would be tragic. So how can we help solve a problem that we know nothing about? To help raise awareness about extinction risks, I will list some specific examples. Amphibians in Madagascar are at particular risk. So, for example, Mantella expectata frogs are at risk, as well as Bufus williamsi frogs. 25% of amphibians in Madagascar are threatened. This is 1/4 of the amphibians that live there. That is a huge number. The greatest threats are pet trade, erosion, and deforestation, as you can see. The reptiles in Madagascar are also at risk. Tortoises, snakes, chameleons, geckos, and others. This is not just limited to one species of turtle or one species of gecko. It is the entire system of reptiles that exist on Madagascar. The greatest threats are logging, agriculture, and poaching. Specifically for tortoises, a lot of the larger females are poached and then sold as accessories or clothing. The mammals of Madagascar are also at risk. The greater bamboo lemur and other primates have been driven nearly into extinction. Unsustainable practices by humans, logging, and mining are to blame for this. And these primates draw a lot of tourists to Madagascar and help support the economy. So if they go away, then the economy suffers. There are solutions that can help give Madagascar hope. If we rely less on wood from Madagascar and other resources, deforestation and mining could decrease. Alternative agricultural practices could help improve slash and burn, which is to blame for a lot of species extinction already. If we increase in the number of policies devoted to conservation and of biodiversity, we can help preserve and conserve the animals that are already there. More sustainable practices by businesses and governments can also help save Madagascar. On a societal level, if laws are enforced related to poaching and conservation, then the environment can be protected better. Increase in research and research funding will also help. Improving the local economies of Madagascar will help make sure that people are not relying on unsustainable practices for very little income. What can we do as individuals? You can travel to Madagascar and take an eco tour. For more information, you can visit these websites at traveltips.usatoday.com or lemurconservationnetwork.org. Ecotourism helps improve biodiversity in Madagascar by raising awareness about the importance of these species. If you resist buying exotic pets, that helps decrease the pet trade value. Spreading awareness or conducting your own research in Madagascar is another good way to help Madagascar and save the species there. Awareness is very, very important for protecting and preserving the life of the species there. In conclusion, biodiversity is important. We have threatened numerous species in Madagascar and driven many into extinction already through logging, mining, agriculture, and other practices that are non-sustainable. Sustainable practices are crucial to preserving the variety of life on Madagascar, and we can make a difference. If we don't help preserve the life there, then the lives of other species throughout the globe can be impacted. Here are the works that I was cited that I used in this presentation. Here are the images that were used in this presentation. And here are some ecotourism websites that you can visit to do more. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day.